Good day everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today have the following problem. Integral from 0 to infinity square root of x all over e raised to x all over a dx is equal to that. Okay, now before we start solving this problem, remember this is our calculus class of introduction to gamma function. Okay, now we have the gamma of n is equal to integral from 0 to infinity e raised to negative x times x raised to n minus 1 dx. Okay, now we also have the gamma of 1 all over 2 to be square root of pi. Okay, we also have the gamma of 3 all over 2 to be square root of pi by 2. Okay, now how do we solve this problem? So let us start by taking a substitution. Okay, so let me take a substitution by saying let this power of a here, that is x all over a, okay, equal to y. Okay, now cross multiplying, we have x is equal to a times y. Now differentiating, dx is equal to a times dy. Okay, remember a is a last number, not just a variable. Okay, now our integral is becoming integral. So now from here, x all over a, y is equal to x all over a, so this is the function of y. So now x all over a, as x is approaching infinity, is infinity. Okay, x over a as x is approaching 0 is 0. Okay, now square root of s, instead of writing square root of s, so we replace that x in the radical with a y. So we have square root of what? A times y. Okay, now all over a raised to y, then times what is our dx? Our dx is a dy, so a dy. So this is equal to, we're factoring out this a out of this integral sign, so we have a integral from 0 to infinity. Okay, now this is square root of a times y. Okay, we can separate it as square root of a, okay, times square root of y. Then this 1 all over a raised to y can be rewritten as a raised to negative y, then dy. Okay, so we have a square root of a, so taking this square root of a out of this integral sign, integral from 0 to infinity. Okay, now square root of y, that is y raised to 1 all over 2 times a raised to negative y dy, and this is equal to a square root of a integral from 0 to infinity 1 over 2 up there can be rewritten as 3 over 2 minus 1, then a raised to negative y dy. Okay, and we can see that this particular place, okay, so we have this here to be the gamma of 3 all over 2. Okay, and this is equal to what? Square root of pi all over 2. So the problem is already solved as a square root of a times square root of pi all over 2, and this is simplifying to what? A square root of a pi all over 2, and this is the right answer to the problem. Thank you for viewing, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Please subscribe and share these videos. Thanks.